Hi everyone, today I'm ranking my current top 5 rides at Epcot. Just like my other ranking videos, to make it onto my top 5, a ride has to pass 3 rules. I must have ridden it myself. It must have a height restriction of 115 centimeters or less, my height when I last visited the park, and it has to be a ride that is open right now. At Epcot, that only rules out Mission Space. I've ridden everything else. Before we start, subscribe to the channel, and if you're an Epcot super fan, hit that like button right now. Now let's get started. Kicking off my top 5 at Epcot is Soarin' Around the World. I really enjoy flying theatre motion simulator rides, and although this isn't the best I've done, it is really cool. I love the feeling of flying and trying to recognise where you are as you glide over famous places on Earth. It also has a smell element, like a grassy smell when you're at the Plains of Africa, gliding over elephants. At number 4, I've got Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. This is a trackless dark ride which is so cool because it means your rat vehicle is powered by computers and magnets. It can spin, slide and race across the floor in any direction. You shrink down to the size of Remy and find yourself right in the middle of the action in a busy kitchen. My favourite bit is when a giant mop swipes at you and you get splashed with real water. In my number 3 spot is Frozen Ever After. This is a boat ride that takes you right into the heart of a Frozen story. My auntie absolutely loves this ride as she gets to sing all the way through it. The animatronics on this ride are incredible, but the best bits for me are the surprise elements that make it more than a simple boat ride. Like when the boat slides backwards at Elsa's palace and the drop as you fly past Marshmallow, the giant snow monster. At number 2, I have the fastest ride at Walt Disney World. It's Test Track. The ride starts with an indoor element. I love the part where you are speeding through a forest and have to do a sharp turn to avoid a truck. But the best part of this ride is definitely when you get launched outside, flying around some cool bank curves before reaching a speed of 65 miles per hour. The wind hits your face so hard you can barely keep your eyes open. And so, my top ride at Epcot is Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. I love the intensity of this ride and the initial launch through the portal. This ride features the first ever reverse launch at Disney World. This is such a smooth ride and the cars rotate so that you are always looking at what you should be. It has lots of cool helix turns. The best one is when it makes you feel like you are spinning around the moon as the ride car spins at the same time. It's a really cool experience as the ride has a good story to it. I love that you can get one of 6 different soundtracks playing each time. The first time I rode this, I got September, which made it even better. This was definitely the best ride at Epcot for me. And that's it, my top 5 rides at Epcot. Which ride would be top of your list? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss our next countdown, and be sure to check out my other ride ranking videos on the channel. I'm sure you will be surprised by some. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!